Hey, what's good, guys? It's your boy Sammy BTC from BT Investors Club, and today I want us to talk about OneLedger OLT, one of my favorite projects. It's currently very bullish, probably because of the newest announcements and some new things they actually releasing. I did a video OLT to $1 just recently. A lot of you saw it. Some people argued. Well, basically, let's just look back into OLT so you understand. So before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and sure to check the links in the description. You're going to get a lot of important stuff. We're doing crypto giveaways every single week. Do not forget to subscribe, and please, before we continue, lastly, this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advice, so I'm not even in a position to give you financial advice. It's going to get me into serious trouble. Okay, so let's continue, guys. As you can see, we're trying to fix up some stuff right here, trying to get this back fixed so we can have a studio completely set up. For now, we're just trying to give you a completely new kind of content. Like I said, we want to give you a new kind of content, the best kind of content, the most engaging kind of content, and overall I want you to be looking at my face every single time. Okay, so that about that OLT OneLedger. I'm going to be pulling up some stuff from my phone. You're going to be seeing that right on the side of the screen, also right on the screen also. Okay, so this is just a new kind of content we're doing. We have OLT coming in at around 0.04 right now. Okay, this is coming at 0.04 right now. Ranked number 1030 according to CoinGecko with a market cap of $17.3 million. So small, guys. Trade volume of over $600,000. Circulating supply of 434 million. So at $1, OLT is only going to need around $434 million in market cap. I don't see why some of you think this is not possible. Well, so what is OLT? Let's look at what OLT is all about, so you actually begin to understand how possible this is. Okay, so the shortcut for blockchain development, that's what OLT is actually offering. Blockchain as a service to speed up the adoption for enterprises, developers, and investors to get into crypto. They have a lot of things anyway, a lot of things. OneLedger OLT is a new type of blockchain designed for transnational compliant business operations in a secure, scalable, and high-speed infrastructure using all the advantages of blockchain technology. Of course, OneLedger's mission is to simplify business adoption to blockchain technology. So let me just put this: blockchain for business. That's what OneLedger is all about. And the main problem with all of this is actually interoperability. That's a big problem with blockchains because there is no way you can have data from the real world ramped straight into the blockchain information, and then that from the blockchain back into the real world. You have these little breaches everywhere, and everything actually functions, let me say, kind of silo. Okay, so what OneLedger is trying to do is to build a system that's actually interoperable with, not just between blockchains, but between, of course, all the offline information also that business needs. Okay, so offline to blockchain, back to offline, these things can actually work interconnectedly without any issues. Okay, that's what blockchain is trying to do. OneLedger was created to solve the nagging problem of blockchain interoperability. As global adoption of blockchain technology was beginning to gather pace, okay, some glaring critical technological challenges were actually already limiting enterprise scale businesses and other like enterprise level infrastructure to actually come into the space. One of that is actually interoperability. Okay, because blockchains exist in isolated networks, we all know that, but right now we have a lot of bridges connecting stuff anyway, but that's not still as fluid as everybody wants stuff to be. So that's what OLT is trying to solve. Currently, the OLT blockchain can build decentralized applications on it. It can actually process more than 4,000 transactions per second, almost near zero fees on OLT, and a lot of wonderful stuff. So this one is actually built to tackle a lot of things and is so small. And of course, OLT currently is interoperable with Ethereum, BTC, BSC, Polkadot, Matic, and so many other blockchains. Okay, that's what they're trying to build. I think they recently announced roadmap recently, and we're going to be having their BSC bridge and their ETH bridge launch, I think, this month. Okay, so if you're just getting in, that's why I said OLT is very bullish at the start of this video. They announced some massive developments that are actually coming to the chain, so we're going to be seeing maybe a good amount of growth this period. If you're looking for something to just buy for the next 3 to 4x gains before first quarter of next year, I would say OLT conservatively. I would easily say OLT. So what's OLT all about? To deploy customizable private or public sidechains. Okay, so you can deploy customizable public private sidechains that will communicate with each other in an interoperable manner on the OLT blockchain. Ultra fast development with very low transaction cost. Ultra fast deployment, very low transaction cost. It's interoperable with almost all the biggest protocols you can find right now: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Polygon, Matic, of course. One beautiful thing about OneLedger is you can build your public or your private side chains, and of course they can be both online, they can be on chain or off chain rather. They can also be centralized or decentralized. So as a business, you can actually build your centralized ledger on the OneLedger platform. This is just a no-brainer. Okay, we have a lot of business, a lot of blockchains into business right now, and they are all performing insanely well. Okay, one of such is Quant Network. Okay, you can go check out what they're all about, connecting all world distributed ledgers for faster and more efficient growth. Quant Network currently has a market valuation of $2.5 billion. Okay, insane one. I picked this one very early, around $5 coins, currently around $185 coin. So if you've gotten on this early enough, you should have made a killing on this one. Okay, so basically this is just one of such. And of course, OLT is not even on big exchanges. The biggest exchange you can get OLT right now is just KuCoin. So you begin to understand the growth potential for OLT, what OLT is trying to do per se, and of course the growth potential for this blockchain. Now I'm going to keep this data on the screen so you see this. OLT has the lowest cost per transaction when compared to most of the biggest blockchains. Of course, compared to Ethereum, compared to Doge, Polkadot, compared to Monero, Bitcoin Cash, and all of them, OLT transaction fees are almost nothing, guys. It's cheap as fuck. And of course, OLT has one of the fastest transaction speed also among all of them. You can see on average some blockchains can make very little amounts, including Polygon 3200 TPS, OLT over 4000 TPS right now on the OLT blockchain. And of course they have the OLVM, which is the OneLedger virtual machine. Okay, so you can use that to actually start building your own decentralized applications. You can use that to actually start building your own decentralized applications. Their OneLedger mainnet is live. Okay, their mainnet is live through Google Cloud. Okay, so they are actually like, this is not some let's start tomorrow kind of thing. They have working products. Of course, they have the OnePass, they have the One Wallet, they have the One Explorer. Staking is live. Of course, a Kratos mainnet. You can go check out a lot of things on this one. Of course, they have insane solutions for enterprises, things you can start doing with OLT as a business. Okay, you can leverage blockchain technology. You can have a full solution for planning business and of course for implementation to grow your business and your revenue using blockchain technology. Freedom to build any blockchain solution on any chain of your choice. For users can experience the super functionality of their One Wallet, low cost transactions, you can stake and earn insane rewards. And of course their multi-chain DEX is coming, their NFT marketplace is coming, their OnePass Health Passport is coming, and a lot of new developments for this one. So just insane. For developers, okay, you can actually start building on their OLVM, that is the OneLedger virtual machine. Okay, insane roadmap. A lot of things are coming for this one, and I don't think you should actually miss out on the things they have. Okay, they recently released a roadmap. That's actually what I want us to look into right now. Okay, there are now some few things recently. One of them is OneLedger will launch its Binance Smart Chain bridge on December 20th, 10 a.m. EST. Okay, with this bridge you can actually have OLT on the Binance Smart Chain. They're actually launching their ETH bridge also. So basically you begin to get the idea when I say a lot of things are coming up for this one just this year. Okay, they have the BSC bridge coming, the ETH bridge coming, a lot of new announcements. You can just check their Twitter handle or join the Telegram group. You're going to see that it's actually pinned on Telegram. So I don't want to actually, I'm going to You're going to see the screenshot on the screen right now, but I don't want to go through all of that detail. I just don't want to get this video too long. By the way, it's already taking too much time. My video should be short, between 8 to 10 minutes, by the way. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for joining the review. You basically get the idea that OLT is so small and could be the latest, could be the best gem you can actually get into this period. And if you want between 3 to 5x gains before second quarter of next year, I'll actually say you pick up some OneLedger tokens. So peace out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video.